Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. Depending on where you are in this world, this is Hedgen Lee, and I'd like to share with you some analytical aspects for Ethereum. Since December of 2018, just like Bitcoin and many other altcoins, 5 distinct waves, an impulse wave, was placed. And when we get usually an impulse that is complete, there is a requisite correction. So in a 5-3 manner, which is a Fibonacci ratio. And in this case, we've 1, 2, 3, 4 completed, and there is no surprise for this to be correcting. If we then take a pattern of a descending wedge, in this case we can count 5 waves distinctly also. And these 5 waves can be labeled as 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And one of the corrective sequences for Elliott waves is called a 5-3-5 zigzag. And in that 5-3-5 zigzag, you see how the ABC gets distributed. So here you can see that these blue 5 waves make up the subwave distribution for red A. Then you have B, and then you have C. So in this case, the key question is, where is the bottom of the correction? And perhaps we can use the Fibonacci retracement tool to see how much of it has already been retraced. The 0.618 has been touched, but I don't think that's the bottom. This downward wedge looked very bullish, and it was a fake out. This B wave is an expanded flat. Where the ABC has it so that the B wave goes below the start of A. So we have the A wave, red A complete, red B complete, and I believe now the red C is well in progress, so that we will start seeing some scary, dramatic, vertical declining. I don't believe the 0.78 will be the stopping point, which is at 141. If you do the square root of 0.786, you get 0.88, which is somewhere around here. And that's around 100 bucks. If you square root 0.88, what do you get? This is how Fibonacci works. You get a 0.94. In other words, 88% retracement, 94% retracement. So if wave C, for now, is having affinity towards the 0.88, somewhere around 100, and we know that in an ABC construct, the C wave must have 5 subwaves, we can identify the following of those waves to be complete. Wave 1 is complete, WXY. You could set ABC for 2, and now wave 3, 4, and 5 are expected to reach towards the 0.88. That this may make the bulls angry, irritated. They don't want to hear it. But a correction can often be quite cruel, quite devastating to those who are unaware, maybe uninformed, running only on hopium. And they don't know what else to maybe expect except pray and hope for higher highs. Those are coming. Absolutely. But in this case, the correction must likely first finish. We have a bear flag that has probably been completed and now confirmed with the breach, decisive breach of the lower red trend line. And since the next wave is wave 3, which usually moves the most violently, not always, but usually, I think we'll see a very long, another one of these. Decline is very likely. Now, it is possible, so this is my primary count direction-wise and target-wise. It is possible that 0.78 will have some support effect. Maybe it'll be the bottom. Maybe we might even get something like this. It is probable. So that we end in another downward wedge pattern where 1 and 4 is allowed to overlap. This would be an ending diagonal. And if that's the case, clearly 0.78 could have strong affinity as well. This is what I mean by being aware. Awareness keeps the panic away. Awareness keeps you informed. When these kind of declines do occur, the uninformed usually ask what's going on, what happened. But the aware know, based on having profiled as many what-if scenarios and identified their primary and alternate conditions, they are usually not surprised. I have, on hedging.com, been putting this out for quite a while now. I'm sharing it on this YouTube video for anyone who's interested in seeing this kind of analysis on a daily basis. I hope you found this to be helpful. Have a great day.